Hi everyone, my name is Jessica Lambert. You can call me Jess or Jessica. I'm fine with either. I currently live in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, and I'm from a small town called Severna Park, Maryland, which is just a little bit north of Annapolis. I have a degree in accounting and graduated in 2015. After school, I did about 2.5 years in the accounting field and then moved into kitchen and interior design. And then from there, I became an AmeriCorps with Habitat for Humanity. And those of you that aren't familiar with AmeriCorps, it's a domestic Peace Corps, and it's only a 1-year term, where the Peace Corps is 2 years. So my term ended in February of 2019, and now I currently work for Big Brothers Big Sisters of the Capital Region. So I have a boyfriend of 4.5 years who lives here with me in Harrisburg, and we have a dog named Bella who's 10. And we like to hike, go to art festivals, and just relax. We also have family not too far, so we see them almost every weekend. And about the online program, I am so excited for it to finally be here. It feels like we were waiting forever for school to finally start. But I'm so excited to learn everything I can about social work and get to know you all and just different experiences that everyone has. And I can't wait to hear all of your recordings and get to know you a little bit better. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. I love talking to people and I can't wait to meet you.